think earning more money will make you rich. Think again. Most people who make six figures still struggle to save, invest, or feel financially free. In fact, earning more can actually make you poorer. Here's why. When we get a raise, a promotion, or even a second income in the household, it feels like financial freedom is just around the corner. But for most people, something sneaky happens. Lifestyle inflation. That's when your spending rises as your income rises. You start upgrading your car, your house, your vacations, and suddenly, no matter how much you earn, you're living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine this. Two friends, Alex and Jamie. Alex earns $50,000 a year and lives frugally. Jamie earns $100,000, but buys a bigger house, a fancy car, and eats out all the time. By the end of the year, Alex has a growing savings account, while Jamie struggles to make ends meet. The higher income didn't create more wealthy, just fueled bigger expenses. This happens because most of us aren't taught how to manage money properly. We assume that earning more automatically solves financial problems. But it doesn't. Without a plan, every extra dollar disappears into bills, credit cards, or lifestyle upgrades. High income without financial discipline is just a faster way to spend. The key is to separate your income from your lifestyle. Every time your income grows, increase your savings and investments first, not your spending. Focus on building assets, not expenses. That's how true wealth is created, and why earning more can actually make you richer, not poorer. So remember, it's not how much you earn, it's how much you keep. Stop letting your paycheck control your life, and start making money work for you.